How to download GTA Liberty City Story on PC. So if you want to download GTA Liberty City Story on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser. Go with search, and under search you need to search for GTA Liberty City Story and then hit the enter. And after that you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you will have rockstargames.com. Just simply click on it and it will take you to the website from where you can buy the game. So scroll down and here on the left side you will have the Liberty City Stories. So you just need to simply go with buy now option. So if you don't have the buy now option right here, then what you can do is just simply go back, scroll down, and you will have the PlayStation website. You just need to simply go with store.playstation.com. And once you go with the PlayStation, then here you will have an option of add to cart or buy. So you just need to simply go and buy that. Make sure that you have the amount which is right here on your account. And after that, once you buy your game, you will have the download option. You can download and install it and you can play. So that's how you can download or install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.